Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to be back with another video showcasing some new products from Scrap Diva Design. I was a guest designer last month and I was asked back to this month and to be sharing some more content with you with these amazing products that are available as of today over at Scrap Diva Design. And I will be clearing my desk and we can go through them one by one. So I also want to be mentioning that I know that these types of videos isn't for everybody. I personally really love watching videos like this so I can get a better understanding of what type of products the company is coming out with. But if this isn't your cup of tea, I had a video yesterday where I showed you a project, or actually 3 tags created with product from Scrap Diva Design as well, but that was from the May release, so go check that out instead of this video if you don't like close-up videos. So I just wanted to mention that. But this first die that we are going to talk about is called Party Hat Mini Album, and it's this adorable album that you can create. It has a ton of pieces and it has like the binding here, and it measures I would say about 7.5 by nearly 6 inches, so it's a pretty good size die. It would run through any standard die cutting machine, so that is nice. If that is something you're worried about. It also comes with pieces that you can decorate it like a face, I think, so that is nice. It also has a layer with polka dots. If you don't like that, you can always just use this layer and skip that one. So ton of options with this one. Then when we are on the same theme, we have this one. It's called Beach Chair Mini Album, and it comes with 2 pieces. So the other one looks like this, and it has a lot of layers, and these are like the chairs, like ribs in the chairs, I guess you can call it. And it's for creating this mini album, but I was thinking maybe like interactive card of some kind. We'll see what I comes up with, but I'm inspired by this one and all of the possibilities and layers that is available with that one. And then we have 2. These are meant, I think, for card making and slimline cards in particular, but you can use them as layering pieces for your albums or scrapbooking or whatever as well. This is called Honeycomb Slimline Card, and it has 2 pieces. So you can see you cut this out, and then we have the outside, and it has stitching on both of them, so that is really nice. And this one has a ton of stars that you can save and have as confetti inside, stitching on both of these as well. And this one is called Star Slimline Card, so very nice. I love those. And then we have some boxes. This is the first one, and it's called 3D Tiny Vial Gift Box. So inside here you can put a small gift, a vial of course, or you can put like a lip balm or something like that, pearls or sequins or whatever you like. And it has this cute bow at the top and layering pieces. This piece, I don't know if you can see, it also cuts out like the shape of this, so you can have a layering piece there. So tons of options. You can see this you have to back with acetate because this will be an opening in this one. And here is the ribbon and the tie for the ribbon as well. And then we have another fun one. This one is called 3D Gift Box. And I can't wait to put this together. I have seen some sneak peeks from the design team. It looks really fun. But I know that I need to be... Hang on, why isn't this coming apart? You guys, sorry about the sound. So you can see how all of the pieces looks. So I have to play around with this. I'm excited about these parts because these can be layered and used, I think, in a ton of different ways with sentiment for cards. And you know I love my card making. And then we have this beautiful star. This one is called Star Nesting Set, and it's 7 sizes of stars. And the teeny tiny here is really cute. And it also comes with like a piece that will cut out like a frame. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's really nice. And what I love about this, that I have nothing like this in my stash previously, is the rounded edge of a nesting die for a star. I don't have that, and I'm in love with this. By the way, did we talk about the colors for these dies? These are like hot pink, right? I will show you the last release and you can compare the colors. I will do that. Here is another one that I'm really excited about. You know, I love making my cards. So this is called Party Words and it has a ton of them. Happy birthday, we have party and party. And hooray with an, like, yeah, celebrate. Happy day, hooray. I'm so wondering what this is called in English. It's called a utropstecken in Swedish, if you're interested. So yeah, so that's that. And here we have some products called French star die and French birthday balloons. French, I'm guessing yes, this part. You can see you have three sizes of all of them and you can cut them to different sizes if you like. You have the stitching on the stars. Super cute. Super cute. Love this set. Love this set. A million to go with this one. Yeah, I can't wait to play with that one. And this one I'm also really excited about. It's called Rainbow Shopping Bag. And I have no shopping bags in my dice like collection since previously and no bows. So I'm excited about that one as well. So can't wait to play with that. And it's super cute, you guys. Look at the like lacy texture there. So cute. And here's the rainbow part. And then we have the shopping bag at the back of this. And I believe you cut out 2 of those and then a rainbow and some bows and some stuff. We will play with this, I'm sure of it. And this is the last one for this release. It's the A2 gift box. Super sweet. Can't wait to use this one as well. You can see you have some flowers that comes with this set. This is the back. You can see you have some like different openings. Is that a word? Like different ways to close your box. You have some choices here. So it will be easy to just pull it out. Super cute. Can't wait to use this one. I'm excited. The flowers are also very exciting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back soon with a ton of inspiration. Until then, go check out the amazing design team from Scrap Diva Designs. They are very talented, all of them. They are creating amazing content. And Erica, the owner of Scrap Diva Designs, is amazing of like reposting everybody's like work. So go check her out as well so you can see the content that the designers are creating. So just do it. You will not regret it. You will have tons of inspiration. Literally daily there is new inspiration with these products that she comes out with. So go check that out. I know you will love it. And I will have a link down below if you like to go check out the new release that is available right now. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!